Hello guys, my name is AkoviL and you are welcome to AkoviL Digital Services. In this training, I want to teach you how to reduce the the size of your videos, how to compress it and make the size shareable, in the sense that for you that is sharing the video and for those who are going to download it, the cost of sharing and receiving will be less, especially when it is well reduced, especially again without losing much of its quality. Of course, we know that the more clearer a video is, the more size of its MB, the higher the size of its weight. So but by the time you reduce it to some level, it also maintains some of its quality, of course. And again, you found out that it's now easy for you to share. So I'm going to be taking you through this lesson with some 3 applications. I've used several of them, but for the purpose of this lesson, we're going to focus on these 3 because I think these 3 are serving me well. If you don't have any of this application, number 1 is called the Video Panda. Let me try to show you some of the details of the application. You can see this is how the application looks like, and this is the logo. So you can have it download from the Google Play Store. So let me go back and show you the second one as well. This one is called the Video Compressor. This is how it looks like. You can have it download as well. The essence of showing you some of these details is to make it easy for you. In case you want to download it from Google Play Store, you look at the sign, because we have so many of them, and then you type the name so that they will give you what you want. So I will start from the first application, which is the Video Panda. I've logged on to the application now. All you are seeing are the original documents, original videos that I have, all of them put together. If I want to look at the compressed one, the one that I've worked on already, if I just click on compress, there are 2 videos here that I've worked on here. So let me go back to the original videos. You can scroll down, you can see. So all the videos you have on your phone is going to be appearing here. So all you need to do is to go to that particular video you are interested in compressing and then click it. Now take for example, I want to click on this particular video and compress. Are we together? So I've clicked on it. Now select it. Another thing I want to show you before I select it should be in case you want to play the video, you just click on it and hold.
Welcome back, guys.
So you see how I just play the video, just for me to be sure it is the particular video I want to compress, because this particular application don't show you the name of the videos you want to compress. So I've selected this now. Then you click on next. You look below here, you are going to see next, right? So you click on it, and then here is another interesting part of it. Look here, this is the resolution of the video we are coming in with, and this is the MB, and again this is also the name of the video. So you can have this small size, though I don't recommend this from my experience, because it's not going to be very clear. The quality is going to be too much reduced. But then this is the most times, this is what I use. This is actually this medium size. You don't reduce much of its quality, and the MB will be what to reduce the cost of the MB a little bit. So this is large, and you can even customize it. You can go ahead and look through. You see, you can pick any of this resolution depending on what you want, but for the purpose of this lesson, I'm going to be recommending this. So once you have clicked what you are actually interested in, then you come down here and then you compress. So I'm going to click on compress now, right? Are we together? So it will take time depending on the width of the video. You can see what we are bringing in is just 20 MB, but in case it's more than that, are we together? It's going to take a little bit of time. So I am going to pause this video now until it is 100% and get back to you. Okay, you might be wondering how it just shoots to 99%. Of course, it takes at least not less than 3 to 4 minutes for this conversion process. So now you can see the conversion process is completed, isn't it? So if you look here, you are going to see this is what we came in with, and this is what we are having. It's amazing, isn't it? You can see just 6 MB. And the quality will be what? You can even play it to see. But because of time, because I want to take you through other applications, all you need to do here now is to save. You can see the save button here. You need to make sure that you save, that is now okay it. Understand, you have it saved. You see save, done. So you okay it, then you can go back and do much more. Now let me quickly go to the second one. I'm going to click on it now. There are special features I want to show you. That's why I'm taking my time to show you these three applications. So this is the working environment of the video compressor, the second one. Here, this is where you add your video to be converted, and this is where you have the compressed video, that is the output. That's what they call it here. If you want to inquire more from the application owners, you can do that. So let me click on compress now. So one special feature about this one is that it shows you the name. These are videos now from my files, from my document, from my memory card. So if you look carefully here, you are going to see this is all files. If you want to even deal with them in form of folders, if you want to browse them specially, let me just click on folders so that you see these are all folders on my phone. So I can just look at anyone I want to work on. If I click on browse, tap here to explore more files from phone. Just you can just go ahead and do that, but for the purpose of the lesson, let me just try to click now the video. In fact, if you know the name of the video, you can just click on this search button. That is one special thing about this particular one, but they work almost the same thing with the video Panda. In fact, even the conversion MB at the end of it, everything will be the same. Let's test it and see. So the video I converted in the other side is actually this. No, I think it's this is the video, right? So I'm going to, after selecting it, I've marked here, now you can see. So you quickly come here to compress. Now I'm sending it. Then you can see the same thing, just like I told you. This almost similar to what we just discussed. So it's already on medium. So you only need to compress. So you now start the process. You can see, right? So I'm going to pause the video as well for it to be completed. Actually, this one might sound a little bit easy and straightforward and faster. Yeah, actually faster. This takes a little time than the other one. So you can see the process is completed. If you look here, this is now the compress, and this is what we came in with. Are we together? So you can see this is a little bit more than the other one. So once you are done with that, you also need to, you can play the video to see it here, how it looks like. You can now come down here where the arrow is showing you. Once you are done, you need to click on, I think it's done. Yeah, here just click on done. Just click on done, and then you have it. That one you don't, it's already automatically saved. Now I'm going to take you to the next application, and there's a reason why I'm taking you there, but I'm going to show you. Just follow me. So this is the third application. I'm going to click on it now. This one is called Smart Video Compressor. Just from the name, it is smart. Why? Because it's a little bit rugged. I'm saying rugged because if there are some videos that you want to use Video Panda, it will not be able to work on it. It will not work on it. Just like also the second one, it will not work on it as well. It will just be hanging and it will not compress the video for you. But once you come to Smart Video Compressor, whatever you put in as a video, it will work on it. Only that one of the disadvantages of this one, that is the Smart Video Compressor, is it gives you almost always half of whatever you are compressing. Imagine you have like 50 MB now, be expecting 25 MB. That's at least the one that will give you a little bit of quality that is usable. So if you look carefully, I'm going to look for the same video that we have been compressing, which is this. I think this is the video, right? So I'm going to click on it now, and then you just click on convert below here, and then you want to rename it, you can. Then if you want to change where to save it, also you can. So but then just click on done once you want to start the conversion process. And this is what happened. The conversion process have started also. So I'm going to pause the video a little bit for the process to be completed. another interesting thing here is that this one and the second one, the last one I just treated, you can use it in background. You can run it in background. That is, while you are working on it, you are converting, you can be doing some other things, and it will allow you, once you click on run in background. But for the first one, Video Panda, it doesn't allow you to work on. Once you just get out, that's it, your work stops until you come back. So that's another interesting thing about the previous one and this particular one. So let's wait for the conversion process to be completed. Of course, this takes a little bit of lesser time as well for it to finish. So let's wait and see. So you see, it has completed, isn't it? So once this one has completed, you have to click on this marked sign so that it will be saved. Now I was talking about something. Some videos will not work. I want to show you. You see this particular video here? Let me try to compress it using Panda. I'm selecting it now, right? Medium, then compress. You see, it will hang like this. It will not work. There are some videos that it will never be able to compress. You can see what is happening. It's not counting anything. So you see, that's one. Secondly, let me go back to the second one, which is this one that can show you where you can search. So let's assume this is the video here. This is the video. Let me try to compress it as well. You will see what will happen now. Just watch. Then let me compress. Then start. You see, video compress failed. So you dismiss it. But by the time you go to what do you call it? Smart compressor. Let me search for the same video. I think I have it here. This is the video here. So I'm going to click on it now. Right? Then let me convert. Right? Let me convert. You can see it start working already. So you see, now this is how to be able to, it depends on what you are looking at. Only that this one of the disadvantages, just like I've said earlier, it gives you almost always half of whatever you are converting, right? So another thing that we want to show you quickly is perhaps I try to play some of the converted document so that you see. Although I didn't play, I think I played the original for you. So here I have the first one, 6 MB.
Guys, now in this second tutorial on the Plotagon story, I'm going to want to change this.
So I just try to fast forward it. That is for the Video Panda, and for the second one, which is 9 MB.
Welcome back, guys. Now in this second tutorial,
actually the original of the video is not that much clear. That's why you are actually seeing things like that. So but for the last one, the smart converter, let me play it and you see.
Guys, now in this second tutorial on the Plotagon story,
so you can see it's a little bit clearer, only that the MB size is 17 instead of the 6 and the 9. So what do you observe here? The more MB you have, the more clearer the video is. But again, even though we want it clear, you wouldn't want to consume all your MB in just sending a particular video or receiving. So I hope you have learned so much by listening to this presentation, and I hope you'll be able to use your compressor applications to reduce the size of your MB effectively. Thank you for listening.